Hi, Gemma here from Makoda Design. So first off, apologies on the delay of this. I was asked many weeks ago about my process from getting my designs onto my fabric using a lightbox. I've been away, I'm back in my studio now, so I'm going to make this short video just to explain the process, show you how I get my drawing from paper onto fabric using my lightbox, explain what it is, and also a couple of other ways you could go about doing it if you don't have a lightbox. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so no big mystery here. This is my lightbox. As you can see, it's a box, homemade, thanks to my husband. So it's just literally a box, a bit of perspex screwed on top, and some lights inside. And that is it. Now the light's going to affect the camera a bit, so I'm just going to turn it off for now. And the idea is I do my drawing onto a piece of tracing paper so you can see through it. I'll place it on the light box, and then I'm using canvas for this one, but obviously the thicker the fabric, the more difficult it will be to see through. Let's see if you can see anything when I turn the light on. Turn the light on and you can see the drawing through it. So what I'll do then is trace the drawing with a pen I use. Let me see if you can see this. It is basically a ballpoint pen, but once I iron over it, it'll disappear. So I can use it to trace the image, and then what I'll do, if it's very detailed, I'll just do a rough trace of the outline and then go over it in more detail off the light box. So you can see just a quick outline of the face there. If I turn the light off, now you can see what's come off onto the fabric. Simple as that. So I will embroider over that, then I'll iron and the ink will disappear. Another option, nice and easy, pin it to a window. Just get your light source from natural daylight. So pin your picture to the window, place your canvas on top, obviously depending on the day, the brightness, but you get still a really good image coming through like that. And again, trace over it. If you don't have this option, I have one more suggestion. So, final suggestion, you can use a laptop screen or a tablet, something like that. Take a photo of your image, get it up on screen, turn the brightness levels up as much as possible, and then place your fabric over it. This isn't quite as effective as the two other ways. I think a laptop screen is better because the touch screen of a tablet makes it quite messy, but it's another option you can try out. So there you go. Just a few quick little explanations of how I get my image onto my fabric before I then go and embroider. I hope that was helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions or you want any more detail on what I've just told you. That's it for now. You can find me on makoda.ie or at Makoda Design on Instagram and the rest. Okay, bye.